Hello, today is week 3, day 3, and we're gonna be practicing the standard algorithm both for addition and subtraction. So you're gonna need to remember your 10 facts really well. So take a look at them. It's gonna be fast, so take a look. This is the first part of the daily task. It's 3 addition problems, and the first one is the example that they already solved for you all. So the problem was 57 plus 25. So what they did is, of course, add the ones first. You always start with the ones. So you have to add 7 plus 5. And that is not one of our make 10 facts, but we know that is more than 10 because 7 plus 3 would equal 10. And here you're adding 7 plus 5, so that would be even more than 10. But how much more? Well, you have to decompose your 5 in a 3 and a 2. Then your 7 and 3 make a 10, and 2 more equals 12. Now, you don't write the 12 both digits here in the ones. That would be a mistake. What you do is you write down the 2 ones of number 12 in the ones place value, and then you regroup or bundle the 10 ones that you make into 110, and you write it up here in the tens value. So finally we're ready to add the tens. So 5 plus 2 is 7, plus the 1 extra 10 that we bundle, that equals 8. So that is the example. The answer is 82. Now you're going to have to solve the next 2 problems. Don't forget to start with the ones and then do the tens. When you're adding the ones, you need to think, are my 2 numbers going to make 10 or more? In which case you will have to bundle 10 ones into 110 and write it over here at the top. But you have to think, do I make a bundle or not? The second part of the daily task are these 3 subtraction problems. The first one is the example that they already did for you. So the problem was 67 minus 29. So we start always with the ones. We have 7 minus 9, and then you need to stop and think. Can I really do 7 minus 9? Is 7 enough to subtract 9? And the answer is no, because 7 is less than the 9 that you need to subtract. So for that reason, you have to take one of the 6 tens that you have right here and trade it for 10 ones to put here in the ones. So when you get one of those tens, you have to cross the 6 that you had, and now you're gonna have only 5 tens. And that 110 that you're taking from here, you're gonna trade it over here for 10 ones. So 10 ones plus the 7 ones that were already there, that's the 17 that you see right there. So now you are ready to subtract. 17 minus 9 equals 8, and 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the difference, or the answer for the subtraction, is 38. So that's it. That's the lesson for day 3. It's the addition and subtraction standard algorithm, or vertical way, that we call in class. Students, if you would like to practice not only these that we saw in the video, but also the chips method that we practice in class. Remember? Please do it. That'll be great. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Which months have 28 days? All of them.